So dear students, now we are going to discuss about polar plot. The term polar plot is also called as a Nyquist plot. The function of your polar plot is it is used to find the sinusoidal transfer function of the system. It is used to find the magnitude of the system and also phase angle of the system. So for that only we can able to obtain the actual value of the given sinusoidal signal. The value of polar plot is varied from 0 to infinity. And the special characteristics of your polar plot, when you drop your graph, the value should be placed in the magnitude and phase value should be in positive value, mean the graph angle is measured in clockwise direction. Suppose the value is in negative value, mean the graph value is measured as an anti-clockwise direction. That mean positive value mean clockwise and negative value mean anti-clockwise. This is one special characteristics of your polar graph system, and it having an real part and also having an imaginary part. It is used to convert polar to rectangle when we are analyzing purpose, and everybody knows that our graph is having an 4 quadrant, first quadrant, second, third and fourth quadrant. The value of the polar graph value, magnitude or phase angle value is placed anywhere in the system depending upon given the application. So the first 0 axis is called as a type 0 system, and type 1, type 2, type 3. So now we are going to see about one example of type 0 order 1 system. So here given system is g of s is equal to 1 by 1 plus st. For analysis purpose, we are going to convert that equivalent, that value of s is equal to assign j omega. So replace s by j omega. G of j omega is equal to 1 by 1 plus j omega t. So everybody knows that it having an is 1 by 1 plus j omega t of the value, it having an both magnitude and phase angle value. Now we are going to split that magnitude and phase angle separately. So magnitude of the system is 1 by square root of 1 plus omega square t square, and phase angle of the system is tan inverse of omega t. So it is placed in denominator tan inverse. So we are more to the numerator, so minus tan inverse. Next we are having in two conditions. Apply omega is equal to 0 and omega is equal to infinity. So apply omega is equal to 0 mean 1 by 0 omega square into 0 into anything 0. So 1 plus 0 1. So square root of 1 is equal to 1. So the entire term is move on to 1. So 1. Next angle tan inverse of 0 is equal to 0. So 1 0 degree. Next one, omega is equal to infinity. So assign omega is equal to infinity, 1 by infinity. So infinity plus anything infinity. So 1 by infinity is equal to 0. Next tan inverse of infinity is equal to minus 90 degree. So first condition, when omega is equal to 0, the value is equal to 1. Omega is equal to 0, the value is equal to 1 and the angle is equal to 0 degree. So value is equal to 1 and the angle is equal to 0 degree. And the next condition, when the value of omega is equal to infinite, the omega value should be move on to the infinite. Infinite means the center point is called as an infinite. So the value of omega is equal to 0 and the angle of omega is equal to minus 90 degree. So 0 degree, minus 90, minus 180, minus 270. Here the value is placed in negative value, so we are taken as in clockwise direction. Negative mean clockwise, positive mean anti-clockwise direction. So next we are going to see the another example. G of s is equal to 1 by s into s plus t. So convert that s, assign s is equal to j omega, and we will take as an we will split as an magnitude and phase angle value. So 1 by j omega is equal to omega into angle of 90 degree. The angle of 90 degrees and phase angle and omega is magnitude value. Same time as we see already 1 by 1 plus j omega t is splitted as in two portion, magnitude and phase angle. Magnitude of 1 by 1 plus j omega t is equal to square root of 1 plus omega square t square, and angle phase angle value is equal to tan inverse of omega t. So equivalent value is equal to we will split the value and convert angle of 1 by 90 degree is equal to minus 90 degree, and 1 by tan inverse omega t is equal to minus tan inverse omega t. So same, assign omega is equal to 0. So assign omega is equal to 0 mean entire term is equal to 0. 1 by 0 is equal to infinite, and tan inverse of 0. So angle of entire term 0, angle minus 90 degree. and omega is equal to infinite, so 1 by infinite is equal to 0, and tan inverse infinite is minus 90, so minus 90 plus minus 90 minus 180. So first thing, omega is equal to 0, the angle is equal to minus 90 degree. The value is equal to infinite. So infinite mean we could not drop in that line, because then the line is mentioned as 0. So infinite mean it will placed anywhere in the particular portion. And the second term is omega is equal to infinite. So value is equal to 0. 0 mean the center portion, and the angle is equal to 180. So this is 180 degree. So it will drop like this. Okay. Next example we will see on the next video.